Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve client retention with ReferralExchange step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of client retention in your business. Recognize that retaining existing clients is generally more cost-effective than acquiring new ones. Next, implement the ReferralExchange program into your business strategy. Start by creating a clear value proposition for your clients. Explain how referrals can benefit both the referrer and the referee. Promote an easy and accessible referral process to your clients. Utilize ReferralExchange tools to track and manage referrals efficiently. Set up an automated system to reward clients who refer new business. Choose enticing rewards that will motivate your clients to refer others. Ensure that the rewards are communicated clearly to your clients. After setting up the program, actively promote it through your communication channels. Use email newsletters, social media, and your website to spread the word. Consider highlighting success stories to illustrate the benefits of the referral program. Monitor the performance of your referral initiatives regularly. Collect feedback from clients to improve the referral process. Analyze the data from ReferralExchange to identify trends and areas for improvement. Adjust your strategies based on client feedback and performance metrics. Foster strong relationships with your existing clients to encourage them to make referrals. Engage in regular communication to keep clients informed and connected. Recognize and celebrate clients who participate in the referral program. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your client retention through ReferralExchange. Implement these strategies consistently and watch your referrals and client loyalty grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.